It's stormy weather again, and look at the rain gauge. We've had tons of rain today, and it's showing nothing. I think the spiders have got into it again. This is a pain. Well, would you believe it? The thing has started working again. But I'm still going to go out and check it, because this could be reading low if the spiders have gummed the works up, so I'm going to go and evict them. Well, the seasons have changed, and here's a load of moss that came off the roof earlier on, and these little flowers are quite pretty. There's a lot of these around, and everything's dead and dying now. Got a few very late, whatever they're called, and leaves are starting to fall off. Pears on the floor. The wasps are enjoying the pears on the compost heap. And last time I did this, the blackberries were showing promise, and now they're all dead and gone. Oh, nothing left. So this lot can be cut off when I get time. So here we are again at the weather station, and let's get that down. First of all, I've got to get these bolts here, and just got a spanner in the pocket. Let's hope I got the right one. 13mm. Yes, that's it. So I shall undo this and be back in a moment. One moment, please. There are spider webs everywhere, so you can see why everything is gummed up. Oh, it's so tough, this stuff. Well, I've done it again. I filmed a section which I thought was filming and it wasn't. But yes, you can see there's an awful lot of webs, and well, that's probably a dead fly or something there. But I'll clean all that up. And the webs across the top of here, there were webs across the top of here. There are still some actually, and even onto the anemometer buckets. There are some in the buckets, and there were some from the bucket going down to here and then across to there. They were just everywhere. So I shall get rid of all those. Oh, that's my HF antenna, by the way. You can actually see some of the beasties in here. There is, hang on, look at this thing focus. There's a dead beastie there. There are a couple down there, in there. Can you see the beasties? And I'm not sure if the bucket tipping mechanism has got any webs on it. It seems to tip okay, but I have to put a fair bit of force on that. So I wouldn't be surprised if there wasn't a web gumming that up. So I've got some spray, some compressed air in a can, so I'm going to give that a bit of a go. Spiders are supposed to hate lavender, so I've put some lavender down there. Well, you can't actually see it. It is in there. Well, it looked vertical, but it isn't. So that's a bit stiff. That's better. I can do it up now. Job done. It's happily doing its thing again. up there in the sky.